Hello guys, today I will be fixing this torch. So let's get started. First of all, this torch contains 4 main parts which are battery, LED, switch and the path the current flows. So let's check them one by one to find the fault. I have checked the battery and it's working. As you can see, the LED works perfectly fine. We can see a lot of rust and deep inside the wiring seems fine. This is WD-40 which is used to remove rust. Now just using a sandpaper, remove the rust and after which use a tissue paper to clean it. After which test it whether it is working or not. We can see that it is not working. Next, check the switch. Sometimes the problem may be in the switch. Just bring the 2 points closer to each other to make a better connection. Even after fixing the switch, it does not seem to work. The problem seems to lie in the path. The solder was not sticking to the rusted metal, so I am using a copper tape to create a path for the current to flow. Here I am using a wire to create a path. As you can see, it started working, but still there is a loose connection. Here you can see due to long period of use there has been a lot of wear and tear. So let's put some solder to improve the connection. As you can see, it is completely fixed. That's it for today guys. If you like this video, do subscribe. See you guys on my next video. Bye.